What's going on, guys? Checking out this 2005 Kawasaki Nomad. It had a pretty bad oil leak. The bike had been sitting for a while, and when I started riding it shortly afterwards, it started leaking all up on the left side here. And it was actually dripping out of the bottom of where the clutch slave cylinder goes. So removing the clutch slave cylinder, it reveals this push rod, and the seal had already popped out of it. So when I just pulled the push rod out, the seal came right out with it. So this seal is what we're going to have to replace. Got the new part there. It's only a couple bucks. And take a look at the rod, make sure that there's no burrs or anything like it. This rod is relatively clean. So I'm going to try to just push this in with my thumb, see if that works. I'm going to pre-lube it with some oil. Just pushing this in. Really a bad design because there's no way that it's retained except by friction. So I'm gonna have to get something to go around this and push it in, but you get the idea. It's the seal that's right there. Just don't push it in too far or it will actually fall into the motor. And as far as removing this, it's just 3 8mm bolts. Be sure to put Loctite back on them. But yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.